Hey there, it's Aubrey from Experian. If you're like most people, tax season probably stresses you out. Take a deep breath and don't worry, because I got the key dates to keep you in the know. First, let's talk about who needs to file a tax return. Whether you're clocking in at a 9 to 5, hustling as a freelancer, or running your own business, the IRS is expecting to hear from you. So just make sure you're ready to go. Mark your calendars for April 15th, 2025. That's the big deadline for filing your 2024 taxes, but there are a couple of exceptions. If you or your business were impacted by Hurricane Helene or Milton, you get until May 1st. And for our friends in Maine or Massachusetts, your deadline is April 17th. Need more time? No worries. File an extension and slide that due date to October 15th. On the flip side of that, if you're eager to get your taxes done early, January 29th is your day. The IRS starts accepting 2024 tax returns then. Pro tip, the sooner you file, the sooner you might see that sweet, sweet tax refund. Now for all you self-employed folks out there who don't have taxes taken out of your paychecks, your final estimated tax payment for 2024 was due on January 15th. And as we circle back to April 15th, remember, it's not just the deadline for filing your taxes. It's also the due date of your first quarterly estimated tax payment for 2025, if you're self-employed. Next up, June 16th is your second estimated tax payment, followed by September 15th for the third. And for those who filed an extension, October 15th is your final deadline. But don't forget, you still need to estimate your 2024 tax liability and pay it by the April deadline to avoid any penalties. Remember, taxes can feel like a mountain to climb. If you're nodding along thinking, yep, that's me, then maybe it's time to consider some tax software. Or team up with a tax pro. They can really help lighten the load. And if those tax bills are giving you a headache, an IRS payment plan might just be your new bestie. But remember, the most important thing is to file your tax return on time and stay on top of those payments. For more tips and info, don't forget to swing by the Experian blog. We've got your back.